man, this right here pass, baby. This that first, man. First, man. That first, man. That's a pass right now, baby. That's a pass right now, baby. Let's get it. Let's keep on going. We got 3 more to go. 3 more to go. That's what y'all want right now, man. Good penetration. That's a 3G. Open butt, mid root, flush coat, all the way out. Pretty nice and neat, baby. My man Bruce right here doing his thing. It's OG Bruce and Bruce Almighty. Let's see what this hitting like, man. Let's see if this one fast. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, first try. First try. What I'm talking about, baby. Now you see no undercuts, no cracks. Nothing. Nothing. Perfect. Now if it would have broke any type of way, I would have failed. First test. 3G. After this, we're going to the 4G, baby. We got 2 more. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. What you say, Bruce is through? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Baby, let's see if this one broke right here. Let's try this one, baby. Oh man. Oh man, like butter, baby. Like butter, baby. Like butter, baby. That way, baby. 3 down, 1 more to go, baby. Man, Bruce and Bruce. This is a bend break test. This is what you do when you want to test the plate.